What's up, you guys? It's Matt here. So, some really crazy things are happening right now in the crypto market, and I wanted to go through what the prices are looking like, as well as the different news that we are seeing and why we're seeing, this crazy price movement. Because right now it is a bloodbath, right? We're seeing a lot of things at lower prices, which some people will look at as opportunities, and I look at as opportunities, but I'm glad that I found a way to take some of the money out that I needed to take out because it wasn't going our way, and it's all because of what the SEC is doing, honestly. So, guys, if you could hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, hit that notification bell for more videos like this one. Also, make sure you guys check out some of the links down below. It does help out the channel. And if you guys want to follow me on Twitter at PerryAK, you can follow me over there. Don't forget about my Patreon that is in the description if you guys want to do one-on-ones, which I will post a one-on-one that I had with a Patreon member recently. If you guys want to, check that out and be a part of it and just have a conversation with me, it's always great to do that. Even if it's just one conversation, I feel like it's beneficial to your party as well as, our party, all parties involved, really. And just being able to record it and hopefully giving somebody some information that they don't know about, would be great. So, anyways, feel free to hit that link down below for Patreon. But there's definitely been some crazy things that's been happening right now. I wasn't even going to make a video this morning because I'm planning on going out golfing. So I think might make a few videos out here, but the markets don't look great. They don't look healthy right now, and it seems like every time we have any type of positivity, there's always someone or something that's bringing us down. It seems like the SEC is on the other end of that. Um, but it's not always the case, right? Sometimes it's an exchange that collapses. Sometimes it's sometimes it's a bank that collapses, right? Or just certain money spending, or pulling money out of the markets or whatever, right? There's something simple, but then there's also a large or a lot of times where you'll see the SEC that comes out with something claiming that something is an unregistered security, fighting some sort of cryptocurrency project, fighting some sort of crypto exchange. And it's honestly just tiring, right? I've been seeing posts about this left and right. Not only on the positive side, not only on the not only on the negative side, but also like in between. I've seen everything, right? So, anyways, let's go into what we're seeing here right now. If you don't know, Binance was sued by the SEC. You saw Coinbase that was sued by the SEC, and you see the kind of halting that happened with Binance. So you see this article here where Binance.us halts the dollar deposits, and then Robinhood also delists tokens after the SEC crackdown. So there's more. Instead of giving more options to buy cryptocurrency, we're seeing less and less options with this SEC crapdown. Let's call it a crapdown instead of a crackdown. With this SEC crapdown, we've seen a ton of exchanges, a ton of places like Robinhood, seeing Binance, and also seeing Crypto.com that has come out and said, look, we're halting the exchanges, like we're putting a halt on the exchange. We're not going to have that for a while now. I still don't have access to the U.S. exchange on Crypto.com, but that's not going to be available for people. They're just like, all right, well, we'll just hold off and see what's happening here, even though people are still able to invest on the US side on the crypto.com app, but just on the exchange, you can't really do anything. So I'll give you updates on that as we see that goes on. But yeah, I mean, it's crazy to me because you see Robinhood, you see Binance, you see Coinbase, you see crypto.com, right? What is next, right? You saw Kraken that had to stop its earn program and pay a fine. They're just trying to attack crypto because crypto is going to be the next thing, right? It's going to be the next best thing, to the dollar, right? The dollar is easily transferable in other countries, and they know that that is a problem if they have a digital form of that, and how that's moving more towards not having your money in banks. This is kind of pushing people to say, you know what, I'll keep my money in the bank for a little bit and see what happens with these crypto exchanges. So what we're seeing in the markets today, if we go to the markets, we're seeing kind of a total bloodbath, right? It's down by 5%. It's almost down to less than a $1 trillion market cap. You're at a $1.04 trillion market cap. You're seeing Bitcoin that's down by 3%. You're seeing Ethereum that's down by, almost 6%. BNB that's down by 8%. down to $238 per coin, which is crazy, absolutely crazy. XRP that's down to about 49 cents. You see Cardano that's down to 24 cents, down 23%. 23%. I'm sorry, my nose is starting to get clogged early this morning. 23%. Dogecoin's down by 11%. So honestly, if you look at this as a positive, you're seeing an opportunity, right? Even with Solana, it's down to $14.66. I know that that's an opportunity. Is it going to continue that way? I'm not 100% sure. So I'm definitely seeing a lot of things that are giving you the ability to buy a lot lower, but that's on you if you see an opportunity here. Right, I was looking at some things like Jasmine Coin. I was looking at some things like even Shiba Inu. Right, so a lot of different things that have come down quite a bit. Like again, you look at Cosmos. I held Cosmos at $10, and this is where these plays come into make it great, right? I don't know what words to use right now. When I'm investing into something, it's always great to have a profit to loss ratio. And what I did with Cosmos was I was able to take that $10 and 50 cents per coin and have that profit to loss ratio where I was looking to gain kind of 3 times what I was looking to lose, and I was looking to lose around $600, only $600. And if it does get to that point, I get stopped out. Well, I got stopped out, and that's a good thing that I did, because if I did a mental stop loss and didn't hold on to it, I would have been down a hell of a lot more, and it would have been down to $7.82 per coin versus the $10.50 per coin. So it's always great to have a stop loss when you're doing short-term trading, but when it comes to long-term, I mean, this just creates opportunity to average down. Again, you're seeing Cosmos down by 16%, Chainlink down by 14%. I saw Terra Luna Classic was down quite a bit as well. It found a way to break that level of, that added zero. It dropped to zero, and then it dropped to zero yet again. So again, you're seeing a huge bloodbath for a lot of things, and a lot of things that I'm holding still. Right, I still have my everything that's over here. So if I go to my assets, I still have a lot that's over here, but now it's worth about $11,000 or almost $12,000. You see Ethereum that's down. I'm down $265 there, $79 here, $745 on Cardano. Creates a huge opportunity. Jasmine Coin, we're looking at $146. It makes me want to reinvest. The issue is that during these times, every time I don't have the money to reinvest, and I don't know why. Maybe I should find a way to take that money and just reinvest it, or at least some of it, and use some of the money that I gain from it, because I feel like this is going to definitely increase at a massive scale. I just have to find the right piece, the right play to get into, and I'm thinking that Solana is going to be it, but I wanna confirm that. So guys, anyways, the markets don't look great. And it's all because of the SEC and what they're doing. But I wanted to give you guys a little bit of an update. We're seeing some major red moves, and this could be an opportunity to buy. But a lot of people may look at it as not an opportunity, and like I'm thinking this is going to drop even further, and it could be possible, right? With everything that's going on right now, they're taking all the trust away from crypto, and when you pull trust away from crypto, it pulls away years of building that trust, right? So exchanges that are collapsing, right? Banks that were invested into crypto heavily, right? That collapsed. You see the SEC that's cracking down on crypto, forcing them to pay fines, and forcing them to delete earn programs, and forcing them to unlist unregistered securities that they claim as unregistered securities. Exchanges that have their own coin listed as an unregistered security getting sued, so that they'll end up paying a massive fine and delisting a lot of things that they have on their platform, or being sued out of existence, right? So it's definitely an issue that we deal with. But make sure you guys hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, hit that notification bell for more videos like this one. We'll talk about this a lot more, but I'm going to get out of here, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.